Welcome to ScreenShorts, the channel that make tech easy with quick and simple tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to use Instagram thread application on your mobile phone. Basically, the Instagram thread application is same like Twitter, and if you are using Twitter then you will face no issue while using thread application. But if you are not, so no worries, I will show you how can you use thread application. So let's start the process. First, let's install thread application from Play Store. Open your Play Store app. Now write in the search bar thread and threads and Instagram app. Tap on this one. Now install this application, threads and Instagram app. So as you see, I already installed this application, so I don't need to reinstall it. After installation, tap on the option open. If you have multiple accounts and you want to log in another account to thread application, then simply tap on switch account. But for now I am logging in with my this account, so I am tapping on this one. So as you see, my same Instagram ID is now here in thread. You can also write something in your bio like you wrote in your Instagram or your Twitter or like in your TikTok. So I am also writing here. After writing something in your bio, then tap on this tick sign. If you want to add link like your Instagram ID link, your TikTok or something else, then you can also add link from here. If you want to import your profile picture from your Instagram, then simply tap on import from Instagram. But for me, I am skipping this one. So I'm tapping on this arrow sign which is at the right top. Now if you want to make your profile picture as public, then tap on this public profile. If you want to make private, it's up to you. But I am making my profile picture publicly available. After made your choice, tap on continue. You can follow anyone from here. But for now I am also skipping this one. So I'm tapping on again arrow sign which is at the right top. Now simply tap on the option join threads. Tap on allow. So as you see, now I'm receiving all the threads from other people. You can also react to their post, also comment by tapping on this comment icon like I am writing. After writing your comment, tap on this option post. So as you see, my comment has been posted. You can also share this post by tapping on the share icon. You can also add this to your story and post to your feed. You can also share this through your WhatsApp by tapping on this copy link icon. Now let's go to the main point of this application. So now if you want to post thread, tap on this icon. Now write thread here like I am writing hello, I am new here. After writing the message, if you want to attach some files to your thread, then simply tap on this attach file icon. So as you see, I choose this picture for my new thread. So here is one more additional setting. You will see the option anyone can reply. Tap on this option. So if you want to get reply from anyone, then tap on anyone. If you want to get reply from the people who just follow you, then tap on this one. Or if you want to get reply from mention only, then tap on this mention only. But for now I am making this anyone. After the arranging everything, tap on the option post which is at the right bottom. Now for viewing our thread, tap on this profile icon which is at the right bottom. So here is my thread. Now also from here you can share your profile. If you want to tap on the share profile, then you can share your thread profile to WhatsApp, to Instagram, to anyone. Now if you want to add your profile picture, then simply tap on edit profile, tap on this tick sign. Now if you want to import your profile picture from Instagram, then tap on Instagram, or if you want to choose your profile picture from your gallery, then tap on new profile picture. So from here you can upload your profile picture. After uploading the profile picture, tap on this done sign. But I didn't upload my profile picture, so I am turning it off. So if you want to follow someone, then tap on this search bar icon. So from here you can follow anyone. Like I am following ICC. Now I will show you an additional threads. I am tapping on this home profile icon which is at the left bottom. After following the people, I am getting more threads from that people's. So from here you can also open your Instagram app by tapping on this Instagram icon which is at the right top. So as you see, after typing on that Instagram icon, my Instagram profile is open. So by this way you can use your thread application. One important thing, if you will connect this thread application through your Instagram, then you will get the same followers as you have on Instagram. But as you see, I didn't connect this with my Instagram, so I don't have follower here like I have on Instagram. So by this way you can use thread application. Join the ScreenShorts squad and never miss out on easy to follow tech tutorial again. Hit the subscribe button.